It's April in New York City. Spring is slowly getting into gear, though this year it's dragging its feet. It was a cold day, but the sky was clear and the sun spilled over the city, warming into the bone. Tourists from all walks of life flock to Central Park to catch the cherry blossoms in full swing. I love people watching, overhearing snatches of conversations in languages I'll never speak. Who are they? How long are they in town? What's on the menu for dinner tonight? The lower park stretches out, a wide stage where tiny figures drift like brushstrokes in a Bruegel's painting. Here are the locals. They're on a mission, racing against the clock, chasing dreams on a treadmill that never stops. We trade noise for stillness as we pass Ship's Meadow. No ship in sight anymore. But any day now, the field will be swarmed by the city's own flock, loud, lively, and delightfully unorganized. If you've ever had your heart set on a Korean girlfriend, don't book a flight, just come to Central Park in April. The city skyline fades behind me as I wander deeper into the park. Laughter and joy travel faster than the speed of light. I walk further till I start hearing beautiful voice. Bethesda Terrace never misses a beat, always worth passing through.
No, I'm printing. I'm printing. Yeah, we'll do it.
What do trees need to live?
I slightly drift to the left side of the park and soon enough I reach Cherry Hill, one of the park's crown jewels for blossom watching. And no surprise, it's filled to the brim. This is my stop for a moment.
Allez, rapprochez-vous, faites ça. Je pense que ça va.
Bow Bridge in distance never fails to impress. It's a postcard come to life. I sneak a glance at Oak Bridge, a hidden gem perfect for catching the sun's curtain call. The park is stitched together by bridges and arches, like threads in a green tapestry. As the day winds down and golden hour fades, the park slips into something more cinematic. The big moon clocks in for a night shift, ready to lead us into a brand new day.